Welcome to Frosty Forest Stretch. Today we'll move like trees in a winter forest, slowly, calmly, and with gentle strength. Let's begin our peaceful journey together. Stand tall with feet grounded, spine long, shoulders relaxed, like a quiet tree. Slow nasal breathing improves posture, grounding, inner calm. Arms overhead. Gently lean side to side like branches in the wind. Inhale, lift. Exhale, bend. Opens side body. Improves breathing capacity. Hips sit back, chest lifted, arms reaching forward or up. Inhale, lift arms. Exhale, hold. Strengthens legs, builds warmth and focus. Hinge from hips, letting head drip down like melting icing. Final pose is soft and heavy. Breathing. Calm exhales deepen the fold. Benefits: releases lower back, calms nervous system. Front knee bent, back knee down, chest lifted gently. Inhale, open chest. Exhale, sink hips. Opens hips, builds confidence. Deep squat, heels grounded or supported, hands at heart. Deep belly breaths. Opens hips, grounds energy, aids digestion. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, spine neutral. Calm, rhythmic breathing. Prepares spine, builds awareness. Smooth spinal arching and rounding, neck relaxed. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Warms the spine, releases tension. Opposite arm and leg lift, spine long and steady. Inhale, lift. Exhale, stabilize. Strengthens back, improves coordination. Forehead down, arms forward or by sides, back relaxed. Deep belly breaths. Emotional grounding. Nervous system calm. Forearms on floor, chest gently lifted, shoulders relaxed. Inhale, expand chest. Exhale, soften. Strengthens spine, opens heart area. Knees drop to one side, shoulders grounded. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Releases stress, massages organs. Knees toward armpits, hands holding feet. Relaxed breathing. Releases lower back, creates joy. Lying still, hands resting on heart center. Natural breathing, long, soft exhales. Deep relaxation, kindness and warmth integration. Wonderful practice today. May your body feel light like snow and your heart calm like a winter forest. See you in our next yoga journey.